In the late 1800s, the O'Reilly family settled in southeastern Minnesota in an area that became Goodhue County. Today, it is still home to O'Reilly Shamrock Farms. Out of the organic dairy operation grew O'Reilly Manufacturing. In 1972, inventor Dan O'Reilly and his father Joseph patented key components of their orbital manure spreader. Not long after, John Deere would buy up the patents and build their own Hydra push manure spreader, which sold over 30,000 units worldwide. But Dan wasn't finished. In the 1980s, he began a 20-year quest to build the optimum multi-fuel biomass stove that could maximize heat extraction from many sources of fuels, including shelled corn, wood pellets, corn on the cob, and other forms of biomass fuels. After engineering, building, testing, and improving over 100 designs, Dan completed his journey with his Stoveworks design. Today you can find the Stoveworks brand on the internet at stoveworksusa.com, or you can look us up on eBay. The O'Reillys would like to thank all of our customers that have sent us letters and emails complimenting our rugged and efficient design. Please stop by and visit the O'Reilly family of brands: Teletach, O'Reilly Industries, Skidworks, Orbilt, and StoveworksUSA.com.